So let's talk E3. It is coming very soon. I am so excited for E3 this year. You guys have no idea. So while we talk E3, I do have a box that we need to open from Loot Crate, so I was thinking, why not kill two birds with one stone? If you guys don't know, I am partnered with Loot Crate. You do have a special discount down below in the description with the link. It is awesome. You get a monthly subscription of goodies, and there's different themes such as video games, nerds, space, all that good stuff. Check it out on their website. It's so crazy because me and Jason actually subscribed to them when they first came out, and then we moved. Now it's crazy how full circle life goes around. We will be opening this month's Loot Crate, and we will talk everything E3 because we have some special things happening during the event, and I cannot wait to tell you. Like I always say to all my followers, please do not open boxes the way I open boxes. This is probably like the most dangerous way to do it. Ooh, open that tab right there. This is my 3rd year going to E3. Every single year has been so memorable in their own unique way, and I have a feeling this year might top everything. I'm not entirely sure because last year was really good. You guys know that I went to the E3 Super Smash Bros. Ultimate invitationals that Nintendo had. If you want to recap on last year's, I will definitely have links down below. So I don't know what this month's Loot Crate is, but I'm gonna pop this baby open. Woo, smells good. I already see a t-shirt. It has Thanos on it. That is so awesome. Okay, so let me know if you guys watched Endgame. Whoa, okay, wait. This is what it looks like. I'm kind of like, I don't know what to get first. I left these ones for last, so I'm gonna grab this one first instead of grabbing it last. And there's a pin. It just fell. So this is a 3D comic, and I know we got Hulk and Miss Marvel last time. So last year E3 was so amazing. I think the first day was the Super Smash Bros. Invitationals, and that's when Super Smash Bros. Wasn't even out yet. So it was really cool to be in that room full of people that I've seen on YouTube and that I've seen at EVO playing on like the big screen. So of course my favorite player, Axe, was there. I ran into Matt Pat, Lamar Wilson, Devin Supertramp, Andre the Black Nerd. It was like, guys, like look at that vlog again and you can tell that I was such in a daze, nor did I know who I was. But it was such a really cool experience, and this year is the same exact thing. All right, so, ooh, oh, that's awesome. Okay, so that's what it is. The 3D comic book stands, they are comic book covers, but look how awesome that is. I've been wanting to repaint these just to make the colors pop, so I might do that, but who knows? Anyways, moving on. This year is no different. We have been invited by Nintendo to go to E3, and I cannot thank the team at Nintendo for bringing me along this year. They are amazing, hardworking people. So thank you so much, Nintendo and the family at Nintendo, for giving Jay and I free passes. This is cute. It is Thanos! And he's sitting on some skulls and stuff. This is cute. So what I plan on doing is actually making a video, a DIY video on cool nerdy shirts, because I tend to wear out my nerdy shirts so much, but there are DIYs that you can definitely do to save your shirts. So this will probably be one of them, but it is so cute though. Actually, this is like probably my favorite shirt that I've gotten, because usually with printed shirts they like wear and tear so easily, but I feel like this one's gonna last for a really long time. What the heck? He has the infinity goblet and everything. Gauntlet, jeez, English. So like I said, this year's no different. We got invited to another invitational, and this time it is Super Smash Bros. Splatoon. It's at the same theater that they held Super Smash Bros. Invitational last year, and they're gonna have free food and drinks. Yo! So I cannot wait. I'm gonna be in a room full of people that I love. I can't wait. It's gonna be so awesome. Okay, so next thing in this box, and I'm drinking this today because we have to watch John Wick, and I've been awake for almost 24 hours. So thank you, LOOTCRATE, for giving me the energy to get through today. I mean, this is crazy. Oh! Yo, okay. I was like, what? Why would they give me Red Bull? Christine, look at the label. It is, dude, it's Ninja. What the heck? Ninja has his own Red Bull drink? What? Shout out to Ninja, who, like, shouted out my work, and I'm so glad that he loves his custom amiibo. It was one of my favorite ones to make just because I actually put fabric on his headband. Thank you so much, Ninja, for the support. I do appreciate it. There are a ton of nerd DIYs, Nintendo DIYs, and custom amiibo coming very soon, so make sure you guys subscribe, like this video, and share it if you want. But I mean, just the fact that you guys are watching this video, I truly appreciate your time. And like I always say, time is so precious. I'm gonna pop this baby open right now. Let's do it. Ooh, that was a good opening. Okay, carbonation. God, the pin is upside down in the box. You guys know that I love pins. I will post a pin collection picture right here real quick so you guys can see. Me and Jason have a particular taste when it comes to pins. So I do not know if I want to get the pin right now. I don't know what this is. So I'm thinking, let's just go through these. So this year's E3 is so exciting. Not only did we get invited to another invitational, we got invited to a private Nintendo tour, and I am so excited because, yo, you guys know what happened last year. If you don't, the link is down below. But we played games that weren't even on the show floor, that weren't even announced, that weren't even released. And some things I could film, and some things I couldn't. It's probably gonna be the same thing as last year. I will try to film as much of it as possible, so expect 3 vlogs. Cannot wait to show you guys what it's like to be at E3, let alone in the private area of Nintendo, guys. Yo! If they have Animal Crossing or Luigi's Mansion or Link's Awakening, I'm gonna flip out. Let me know down below what game you are looking forward to. Again, huge thank you to the team at Nintendo for treating us ambassadors so well. I'm spoiled, guys. I'm spoiled. That's Rain Sheet Command Issue Crush Rank Service. Battlestar Galactica. Oh, okay, so I don't watch Battlestar Galactica, I'm gonna be honest. It's in this really neat envelope, as you can see. Well, as you cannot see. But I don't know what this is, so I'm using this one hand too. Oh, it's a poster. Battlestar Galactica. Let me know if you guys are fans. And it's upside down. Okay, so, oh, I ripped it! Sorry. I don't know if you guys know, I actually like give away a lot of gifts and stuff through my Patreon and people who are members here on YouTube. So check out my Patreon link down below, or if you want to support this channel and try to get a custom amiibo giveaway entry every month, make sure you are a member and you get a private Discord link where I talk about all my struggles and stuff that I'm working on. So yes. Why does this look like Reaper from Overwatch? Last things that we have is this thing in a bag, the pin, and I think this comic book. I don't know what this is. Do want to say, if you happen to be going to E3 this year, please feel free to come up to me and Jason and say hi. I know a lot of people were saying like how they were so shy go and say hi to us at like Disneyland when we were there, but I love to meet people. I love to interact. I am a huge hugger. Oh, Jason's going to love this. Okay, so let me know if you guys are huge Godzilla fans. I'm not, but Jason is. So I guess this month's Loot Crate is called Showdown. It's basically the biggest fights in all of the fandoms. So that is really cool. Like I said, you can definitely go and pick your theme that you want. And if you don't like the theme of that month, there are various options for you to find the perfect box. That discount code for 10% off is down below in the description, along with some other stuff that you should definitely check out. Well, we're gonna see the pin. Ready? I haven't seen it. 1, 2, 3, go. What is that? I don't know what that is. Oh, that's cool. Oh, it's two guys fighting. I don't know who the two guys are, but they're fighting. And they're doing some epic kamehamehas up in this packaging. Love your guys' pins. And lastly, we have this little thingamabob. Every year for E3, I actually tend to give away things randomly. Last year, I gave away Cappy Eyes so people could pin it to their backpacks and their hats. This year, I'm going to be passing out Super Smash Bros. Ultimate invitations. So I'll be passing those out to a lot of my friends and random people, because that's what I do every single year. I try to make like a DIY that I can give away. If you've ever wanted to make your own Super Smash Bros. Invitations, I have a Nintendo DIY on my channel. Very easy, so definitely check it out. I'll have a picture of it here, and the link to that video is down below in the description. So the last thing that was in the box, and it feels like metal, and I don't know what this is. Oh my gosh, okay. I just saw what the tag said. You know, I'm gonna just show you the tag. This is so funny. It is Loot Crate metal straws, and like, who else loves tea and coffee? Because I love tea and coffee. In fact, I brewed tea this morning. Okay, so this is a filter that I got. Actually, Jay got it for me. He's so sweet. It had rose tea in it. It was so good. The only thing that I don't like about coffee and tea is that it stains your teeth. And I literally, figuratively, was thinking about getting metal straws so that it doesn't touch my teeth. I have been wanting to get metal straws for the longest time. Dude, they gave us a set of metal straws. Oh, like, it's so funny because the last night as I was drinking tea, I was just like, Christine, man, you gotta get those metal straws because your teeth are gonna be yellow. Great, yo, I don't know if you guys are like just in my head or like you guys just know exactly what I'm looking for, but this is crazy. I am so happy. Like, this made the entire box. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that I get to see you guys at E3 if you plan on going. Jay and I are traveling in the next couple of weeks to Canada and Colorado. So if you happen to be in those areas, please let us know. We love to meet you guys. Every time we've traveled, we've actually met up with you guys and you guys show us all the local spots. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. More importantly, subscribe, because I will be filming my entire travel to E3. Dude, guys, this year is going to be crazy. We have an invitation to the invitationals. We have a private Nintendo booth tour to play games that aren't even out on the show floor, and I get to meet a ton of my friends at Nintendo, and I cannot wait to meet you guys. So don't forget to subscribe so you guys can look out for those vlogs. Don't forget to subscribe because I have new Nintendo DIYs, new nerd DIYs, and new custom amiibo coming very soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a glorious week leading up to E3. Yes, this is all I wanted. Look at this. Yo, this is so crazy. How do you clean these?